All right, guys, our planet having a big issue with the global warming. Seoul Metropolitan Government has found an amazing solution, and I'm standing in front of it. It's called Ttareungi. It's e-bike, and you can find this e-bike parking all over Seoul. I'm standing in front of Han River right now, so if you want to have a little bit of a bike tour nearby Han River, just download the app and get it started. I'm going to show you how it works. So they all have a different numbers and the Seoul bike model number, and here is the QR code. So basically, after you download the app, just put the QR code. All right. Mapo Bridge, in Korean you call it Mapo Bridge. It's very famous for the Marvel movie Avengers. If you see in one of the Avengers movie, when Captain America is on top of a bus, they recorded that scene on this bridge. But it's also one of the biggest bridge on Han River, and you can see the golden building, that is the 63 building. And look at the Han River, it's so beautiful. So now we're gonna go to my home, which is over there, and we can drop the bike and we will see what else we can do. So this is nearby Mapo station, and you can leave your cycles here. Done, finish. Thank you.